Hi friends, this is Navin. Today I am going to discussing the topic of problems based on ages. This topic is based on the topic of quantitative and aptitude. These problems based on ages will be more useful in competitive exams when we are writing MSET or SET or anything. It will be more and more useful on this topic. First of all, problems based on ages, we have to go into discussing about this topic. We have to know some. For example, in competitive exam, he gave in problem. Uh, First of all, we have to assume present age. Present age is equals to x years. We have to assume this one in any problem given by basic of this topic. We have to assume present age is equals to x years. If he gave in that problem, for example, a years ago, here observe a years ago or a before or anything, we have to subtract from this present age, that is x minus a years. For example, he gave on the problem after b years. After b years, after or the terms give like this, we have to add from those present years, that is x plus b years. And once again repeat that. In any problem, we have to assume present age is equals to x years. If he gave on that problem a years ago or a years before, we have to subtract from those present age x years. For example, he gave on that problem after b years or anything, we have to add from those present years. Problem 1. Arun is older than Anil as he is younger than Bhushan. Arun is older than Anil and as he is younger than Bhushan. Here in this problem, he gave that Arun and Anil and Bhushan, the age difference of these three are same. Arun is older than Anil as he is younger than Bhushan. So these three members' age difference is same. And we have to find if the sum of age of Anil and Bhushan is 58 years, then what is the age of Arun? So we have one clue, that is Arun and Anil and Bhushan age difference is same. So first of all, Arun is older than Anil. So Arun, solution, Arun is equals to Anil minus x. Anil minus x. Arun is equals to Anil minus x. Why I am taking this means, in this the age difference of Arun and Anil and Arun and Bhushan is same. That's why Arun is equals to Anil minus x. And next one, Anil as is younger than Bhushan. So Arun minus x is equals to Bhushan. Is equals to Bhushan. So, for example, I am taking this equation 1 and this is equation 2 and adding both this one, equation 1 and equation 2, we get Arun plus Arun. We have to adding. So, Arun plus Arun is equals to 2 Arun minus x is equals to Anil minus x plus Bhushan. So this x and this x will be cancelled and Arun is equals to Anil plus Bhushan. Here 2 is multiplicative. It will be come to this side, it will be get divided by 2. This is the formula to find this problem. Why I am taking this only this formula means here Arun and Anil and Bhushan age difference is same. That's why I am taking this problem. This formula. According to this formula, we have to find easy this problem. Arun is equals to Anil plus Bhushan by divided by 2. Here Anil plus Bhushan. In this problem already he gave that if the sum of age of Anil and Bhushan is 58 years. The sum of Anil age and Bhushan age is 58 years. That is 58 by 2. Why I am taking here 58 by 2 divided by 2 means already gave that the sum of age of Anil and Bhushan. Anil and Bhushan of sum of age is 58. So Arun is equals to 58 by 2. That is Arun is equals to 19 years. Sorry, 29 years. Arun age is 29 years. And once I repeat that, here Arun and Anil and Bhushan age difference is similar. So Arun is equals to Anil minus x. Why I am taking means Arun and Anil age difference is same. That's why Arun is equals to Arun minus x. And Anil is younger than Bhushan. So Arun minus x is equals to Bhushan. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And adding these two, we get this equation. And here minus x and here it will become this one, it will be positive. So it will be 2. These two are cancelled. And Arun is equals to Anil plus Bhushan. It will be 2 is a multiplicative. It will come to this side, it will be divided. So Arun is equals to Anil plus Bhushan by 2. This is the formula to find this problem. Why I am taking this only means these three members age difference is same. So already in this problem he gave that the sum of age of Anil and Bhushan is 58 years. So Anil plus Bhushan age is 58 years by 2. So Arun is equals to 29 years. And second problem. So the ratio of two numbers is 3:7. If 6 is added to each number 3:7, then the ratio becomes 5:9. What are these numbers? So clearly observe one thing in this problem. The ratio of two numbers is 3:7. If 6 is added to these two numbers 3:7, then the ratio becomes 5:9. So here solution, he gave in this problem a is to b is equals to 3:7. If 6 is added to each number, that is 6x and 7x. If 6 is added to each number, then the ratio becomes 5:9. That is 6x minus x or a divided by 7x. So here added, so plus 7x plus b is equals to, if 6 is added to each number, then the ratio becomes 5:9. That is 5 divided 9. This is the easiest method. I am taking directly. Why? Because here a is to b is equals to 3:7. We gave this problem. If we have to add it to these two numbers 3:7, it will becomes 5:9. That is, if cross multiplication, that is 6x plus a, 6x plus a into 9 is equals to 5 into 7x plus b. 9 6 are 54. X plus 9a is equals to 5 7s are 35. X plus 5b. 54x 35x. This x term will be goes to this side, and this constant term will be goes to this side. That is 9a plus 5b, or 35x minus 54x minus 35x. That is 9a plus 5b will be same, or I am taking only a term. So here also a. So this is also a. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is equals to 14. 14a is equals to 54x minus 35x. 54 subtracted by 35. So it will be 54, 35. 90x. So a is equals to 19x by 40. That is equals to 19x by 40. This is the required value. A equals to this is the required value. This is the problem. So once again I repeat that we have to take only, that is the ratio of two numbers is 3:7. If we add it to, for example, we gave in this problem 6. For example, I am taking the number is 5. I am adding these two numbers with 5. It will become something. Here it will become 5 is 9. For example, it will become 6:5. Then the ratio becomes 6 divides 5. So remaining problems we will see in this next video.